And you're scratching your head trying to figure out how to connect it to Wi-Fi? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step instructions for connecting your Samsung printer to your Wi-Fi network. So stick around, and by the end of this video, your printer will be up and running wirelessly in no time. If you need extra help, call the numbers on your screen. Let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Go ahead and press the menu button on your printer's control panel. Use the arrow keys to scroll right and open Network. Keep scrolling right and choose Wi-Fi. Now, find Wi-Fi settings and select it. Under Wi-Fi settings, select Wizard to begin Wi-Fi connection process. Your printer will now start looking for the available wireless networks. Just give it a moment to complete the scan. When the list pops up, scroll through and select your Wi-Fi network from the options displayed. Type in your WPA key, that's your Wi-Fi password. Make sure you enter it carefully, as passwords are case sensitive. And by the way, if you're finding these steps helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more printer tutorials. Once you've entered the password, press OK to confirm. Hang tight while the printer connects to your Wi-Fi. Just give it a moment to establish the connection. When you see connected on your screen, you're all set, and boom, your Samsung printer is now connected to Wi-Fi and ready to print wirelessly. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.